It's cold and windy, but if AnyTrip has it right, this next train might very well be a Intercity Express, a type that is pretty rare to see around now, so fingers crossed that's exactly what I'm about to catch.
This is Talking Planning. So I'm waiting at Petrie station for what I think is going to be an Intercity Express train, but while I wait, I just thought I'll quickly show you a few of the trains that pass through while I'm waiting. The trains include this NGR unit, and this Suburban Multiple Unit as well. Oh, and here comes my train, and let's see what it is as it approaches. From the distance, the EMU, ICE and first gen SMUs all look very similar. But as it gets closer, no, that's an IMU 100s. Ah, bugger. I was hoping it was going to be a ICE, but never mind.
Now, the bad news is I did fail. I thought I was going to get an Intercity Express train, ICE, however, that wasn't the case. But I managed to catch the next best thing, the IMU 100 series, number 105, which, to my knowledge, is the only one left with this rather striking green seat fabric. So that's still pretty cool.
I should be clear, I actually really like this first generation of Interurban Multiple Unit. They were built by ABB Walkers and have a lot of features that I think a lot of newer trains miss out on, which is a real shame. The first thing I really like are the large luggage racks. They're really convenient and are handy, especially if you've got large bags, which is quite fitting, especially considering that this generation of trains were first used on the airport line and Sunshine Coast line. It makes a lot of sense. I wish newer trains like the NGRs actually provided more luggage space, and it's something that I think they're really missing out on. I also find the luggage racks above the seats in the main part of the carriage very handy as well. I really like the IMU 100s, however, it's a real shame that many of them are now looking a little bit worse for wear. I'm very surprised that IMU 105 is still able to keep the seat fabric that it has, but the one thing that's definitely not looking so tidy are those windows. There are a lot of etchings into the windows, there's a lot of scratch marks, and the windows overall look really dirty and damaged. And sadly, that's a common thing on Queensland Rail rolling stock, particularly anything before the NGR series trains. That being said, the upholstery is still fairly clean and tidy, if a little dusty. The IMU 100s are also fitted with toilets at the end of one of the three carriages. They are either at the front or rear, depending on direction of travel. It's a real shame I have to critique the IMU 100s on their cleanliness, because overall, I think they're probably the best laid out rolling stock at QR and one of my personal favourites.
Thanks for joining me on Talking Planning, and that was a review of the Queensland Rail Interurban Multiple Units.